of overview, guided wire, unguided wireless, characteristics and quality.
Now being recorded.
Quality determined by medium and thickness. For guided, the medium is more important. For unguided, the bandwidth produced by the antennas is more important. Keys, concerns, or data rate and distances. Physical first identification of the components, design factors, bandwidth, higher bandwidth, gives higher data rate, transmission, impairment, antennas, number of receivers in guided media, more receivers, multi-point introduce more antennas. Design factors of bandwidth, you can use the routers and BSNL modems and Netgear. Anyone uses the design factors. Guided transmission media, so identification of the wire actually last OSA layers of physical layers, so Cat5e cable, Cat5e cable, and twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber. This is first point of twisted pair. This is twisted pair, separately insulated twisted pair together, often bundled into cables, usually installed in building during the construction. Long distance, we can use the twisted pair connections. We can show the image twice and length. This is the wire. Twisted pair. In the long distance purpose, we can use the wire. Next, twisted pair applications. Most common medium, telephone network between house and local exchange, subscriber loops within building to private branch exchange, PBX, private branch exchanges for local area network, LAN. LAN means local area connection. We can support 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps speed control. This is twisted pair application. Next is twisted pair point, cheap and easy to work with, low data rate, short range. Twisted pair use చేయడం వల్ల మనకి కాస్ట్ అనేది cheapest లో దొరుకుతుంది, easy to work with, low data rate, a short range. Next, twisted pair transmission characteristics. Analog amplifier every 5 km, 6 km. Each 5 km, 6 km amplifier. We can use media connectors. Digital, use either analog or digital signals. Repeater every 2 km to 3 km. Sending and receiving the signals to digital. Limited distance and limited bandwidth, 1 MHz. Limited data rate, 100 MHz. To interface the noise. Near and cross talk. Capturing of signal from one pair to another pair. And consistency and consistency connections and capturing takes place when transmit signals. Signal identification, enter the link coupled back to receiving pair. Most important, near transmitted signals picked up by near receiving pair. TS means connection points. Next, unshielded and shielded TP. UTP. Unshielded twisted pairs, ordinary telephone wire, cheapest, easiest to install, suffers from external interfaces. This unshielded twisted pairs. Shield twisted pairs to metal, braid or shifting that reduce interfaces, more expensive, harder to handle, heavy. Two types of the shields, unshielded or twisted pairs. UTP unshielded twisted pair flow, Cat3 up to 16 megahertz, voice rate found in most affixes twist length 7 centimeters to 10 centimeters. Cat4 up to 20 megahertz, Cat5 up to 100 megahertz. Commonly pre-installed in new office building. We can long distance connections. We can use the UDP. Twist length 0.6 centimeters to 0.85 centimeters. Diagram of the coaxial cable. Other conductor is layered sheet. Inner conductor in solid metal, separated by insulating material, covered by padding. Outer conductor insulation. Inner conductor outer sheet. The show the diagram. Coaxial cable diagram. Coaxial cable application. Most is medium television distribution. We can example Airtel to TV, cable TV. Long distance telephone transmission can carry 10,000 watts or simultaneously being replaced fiber optic, short distance computer system links, local area network. We can use LAN. We can use LAN. We can use the wireless network. We can any use the coaxial cable application. We can next coaxial cable transmission characteristics. These are two types: analog or digital amplifier every few kilometers. Every 1.5 kilometers we can fix it the amplifier when media connectors closer if higher frequencies up to 500 megahertz. Visual repeater every 1 kilometer. Every 1 kilometer we can fix the repeater closer for higher data rates. Next, optical fiber cable. We can most optical fiber cable we can we can use the glass material. We can use the glass material. We can design the optical fiber cable. We can show the diagram. First the core, jacket, and cladding. First glass or plastic coating, and laser or light emitting diode, and specially designed jacket, and small size and weight. Next, in jacket, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Cable diagram. Next, optical fiber benefits: greater capacity and data rates of hundreds of Gbps, smaller size and weight, lower attention, electromagnetic isolation, greater repeater spacing, 10 seconds of kilometer at least. Optical fiber cable benefits. Next, optical fiber transmission characteristics. Acts as waveguide for 10 power 14 to 10 power 15 and infrared and visible spectrum, light emitting diode, LED, cheaper and wider operating temp range, last longer, wavelength division multiplexing and division multiplexing. Multi-connections we can support optical fiber. This is the optical fiber transmission nodes, different signals. First, the input pulse, opposite output pulse. We can show the input pulse diagram. We can first diagram A, step, index, multi-modes. we can show the output first. Next, input first, we can show the B, graded index multimodes. We can show the diagram. Output pulse. We can next out diagram C, single mode, input first, continuously line format, output pulse. You can observe it, see diagrams carefully. You can next code cable based on the diagram. First is the tester pale diagram, antennas. Next B వచ్చి coaxial cable, C వచ్చి optical fiber, D composite job. You can four diagrams observe it with the antennas. Different multi connections of the individual cable. Next, wireless transmission frequency ranges. Wireless transmission frequency ranges, we can show the 2 GHz to 40 GHz microwave, highly directional, point to point satellite. 30 GHz to 1 GHz optimal direction and 60 degree optimal direction, broadcast radio, and 3 into 10 power 11 to 2 into 10 power 14 installed local. This is the wireless transmission frequency ranges. Next topic, antennas. Electrical conductor on system of used radiate electromagnetic energy or collect electromagnetic energy. Antenna signal receiving electrical conductor. Transmitter, for example, radio frequency energy from transmitters and converted to electromagnetic energy by antenna, radiate into surrounding environment. Reception, electromagnetic energy containing the antenna converted to radio frequency electrical energy, P to receiver. Some antenna. Participants. Radio pattern, power radiated in the direction, not some, performance in all directions, isotropic antenna in theoretical point to space, radius in the direction is equally gives special radiation patterns. This is radiation patterns. Next satellite microwaves. Satellite is the relay stations. Satellite is the receives on one frequency, amplifies or repeats the signals to transmit on another frequencies. Requires geostationary orbit television, long distance telephones, private businesses networks. This is satellite microwave. Satellite radio stations receiving the signals, sending the data. This is the satellite point to point links. You can maintain the satellite antenna and earth stations, point to point links. This is the diagram. Point to point links. Next diagram, satellite broadcast links. Satellite antenna with multiple receivers and transmitters and multiple receivers. Next, broadcast radios. Omnidirectional and FM radio, UHF and VHF television, and line of sight and suffers from multipath interface reflection. This is the broadcast radios. And example, infrared modulate. This is infrared modulate nano infrared lights, line of sight, blocked by walls. Example, TV remote and control IRD ports. For example, in mobiles IRD blasters, TV remote control and sensor connectivity. And next, wireless propagations. This is the most important wireless propagations, and signals travels along three routers and ground wave and follow counters of Earth up to 2 megahertz, and AM radio, Skywave, Amta radio, BBC World Services. Example, Voice of America, signals reflected from ionosphere layer of upper atmosphere, actual infrared line of sight about 30 megahertz may be further than optical line of sight due to the fractions more later. This is wireless propagation. Example, receiving the signals router to client system. Next diagram, ground wave propagation. We can observe the diagram. First, ground wave propagation below 2 megahertz transmits the antenna 1 and receive the antenna. Signal propagation and receive the antenna. This is the diagram of ground wave propagation. Next diagram is skywave propagation. We can observe the diagram. Ionosphere and first transmit antenna and signal propagation at the last receive the antenna. This is the skywave propagation 2 to 30 megahertz. Next, line of sight propagation. This is the diagram. And first, transmit antenna. We can signal propagation. Observe the receive the antenna. Earth. Line of sight LOS propagation at about 30 megahertz. This is refraction. Velocity of electromagnetic waves is a function of density of materials omega 3 into 10 power 8 megahertz meter per second in vacuum, less in anything else. As it moves from one medium to another, its speed changes, cause bending the direction of wave at boundary towards more dense mediums. Index of reflection, refractive index is single of incidency and angle of refraction. Various with wavelengths may cause sudden change of direction at transmissions between media. May cause gradually binding of if medium density is varying density of atoms decreases with height, results in banding towards earth of radio waves. This is the refraction. And next, optical and radio horizons diagram, antenna and optical horizon, radio horizon. This is the earth. Next, use of sight transmission, free space of loss, signal disappear with distances greater for lower frequencies, longer wavelength, atmospheric absorption, water vapor and oxygen absorb radio signals. Water greatest 22 gigahertz and less below 15 gigahertz. Oxygen greater at 60 gigahertz and less below 30 gigahertz. Rain and fog scatter radio waves multipath better to get line of sight of possible signal can be reflected causing multiple copies to be received. Maybe no direct signal at or my direct signal reflection may result in a partial or total loss of signal receivers. The multi-path interfaces show the diagram. Microwave line of sight, the antenna, and next the mobile radios. You can receive the driving the car, the antenna, and office and home. Next, architecture of services ISDN contains narrowband ISDN and services and architecture both of ISDN switching technology and ATM switching. ISDN means integrated service digital networks. ISDN means integrated services digital network communication technology integrated are all existing on erasing services, digital voice services, caller ID and messaging, patients calls, redirected calls, multi calls, and waiting calls in all calls functions. This is the ISDN services, integrated service, digital networks, multimedia quality exchanges, enhanced digital services, computer interconnections, entertainment services, TV, VOD, and video on all demanders. This is the ISDN integrated service digital networks. Next, SDN architecture, narrow band, and means narrow band. ISDN communication are based on bidirectional serial digital exchanges, bit pipe, between end users, devices, and the public services network circuit switching technologies. This is the narrow band ISDN tech communications, digitalized user devices and digitalized devices and phones, tags, terminal, including VOD and services. Network conjunction is method is time division, multiplexing over the bit stream according to standards. Low bandwidth single channels for home use, high bandwidth multiplied single channels for businesses. This is the narrowband ISDN architecture. Basic ISDN configuration, low bandwidth, narrow technology, and network terminated devices by the users place passive bus connections between NT1, NT new technology, and users devices up to 8 devices per connections, ITU, or standard reference to point T. Twister pair between NT1 and carries office up to the few kilometers ITU. Standard references point T. Standard ISDN configurations, high bandwidth NT1 and NT2, and a small ISDN switch PBX. PBX is private branch exchanges by the users of office, passive connections between NT2 and user ISDN, integrated service digital network for devices, and standard reference point as optional terminal adapter and PS supporting interface to one or more non-ISDN terminals and references point R. Next to ITU standards below. Basic bit pipe MO 128 kbps voice data channels plus 16 kbps signaling. Primary bit pipe MO combination up to 1.92 Mbps seconds and 16 minus 64 kbps and signaling to fit in the ITU TG1 TCM carrying 2.04 Mbps. Absolute standard recording audio video communication because of the low transfer rate. Best example is Google Meet and a number of applications we can use in web. Google Meet and Zoom, any one application we can use the network point of view. Or data application in applicable by open system interconnection, but still good for non-interactive and non-real time applications. Internet remote access the database in the extra. Bandwidth ISDN 55 Mbps digital virtual circuit fixed size data packets enough rate for hard transfer applications like digital transmission of high definition television HD TV. HDTV means high definition television. ATM based technology. Packet switching is very important. High speed transmission media up to the customer device is basically fiber optic. New switching principles refer from multi stage and time division switches. Switches means number of switches is available and 8-port switch and 4-port and 24-port switch and network switch and BSM modem. Anyone we can use the switches. Joint exchanges of PSTN and NSTN and BSTN. Switching technology stuff. Because switching technology has been developed and end-to and routing of the data flow. The following switch technologies are available today. Circuit switching, cell switching. Switching is which is based on the division of the transmission capacity into fixed time slots called as channels or circuits. Channels are allocated and to the between users. And packet switches where variable length data units from 40 to 4000 octets are stored and forwarded in which networks. Cell switching where length, small fixed length data units called cells. For example, ATM 53 octets are stored forward. Circuit switching, packet switching, cell switching is the explanation. Circuit switching and first point has been the first approach the routing communication channels between users. The number of users is connected. The organizing users request the connection establishment which the user signaling. If the channel is available, it will be established between the communicating complete duration of the connections and remains occupied until either communicating and signals disconnected request. Circuit switching classical ports, plain old telephone services, ISDN, integrated service digital networks. Since the channel resources is occupied during the connection, even if there is no traffic between the circuit switching with dedicated resources is considered more expensive than during. Next, packet switching. Circuit switching is the first most important routing communication channels and users connected to the clients. Next, packet switching is the most important. First, web traffic does not make efficient use of circuit switched transmission. In 1960s, there was developed a new data communication approach called packet switching. Packet switching at a traffic does not make efficient use of the circuit switched transmission. Each packet switch to variable length data in from 40 to 4000 octets are stored and forwarded in each network node. Each packet contains additional information in the packet header part for routing, error correction, flow control. Error connection, routing error connection, disconnection of the connection, and not receiving the IP address. And depth wireless in the 404 and show the message the web page. For example, each packet is transmitted to its destination independently. Every packet transfers to destination immediately. Packet switching network resources are used only when there is real information that is transferred. Packet transfer అవుతుంది. Cell switching is the most important. ATM, the nearest switching technology called cell switching uses small fixed length data events called cells ATM operators that are stored and forwarded. Synchronized transfer mode ATM. In example, cell switching system, its cell size is 53 bytes, header 5 plus data 48 after. ATM is compatible between the synchronized circuit switched and the packet switched system both in delay. Resource is the complexity. Cell switching is the preferred technology for the bandwidth ISDN. Because of the flexible data transfer rates, cell switching is most important in the 53 ATM, 53 octets are stored in the forwarded. And virtual circuits and ISDN of the virtual circuit. Circuit switching technology of PSTN is replaced in BISDN virtual circuit. These two categories of virtual circuits and permanent virtual circuit, switch circuit. This is the BSDN virtual circuits. Circuit switching technologies PSDN is replaced by BISDN virtual circuit. We see two categories virtual circuits. First is permanent virtual circuit, second is twisted virtual circuit. Guaranteed access to the rate of between several services access point SAD at the subscriber. Switched virtual circuit, non-guaranteed access and rate they are granted after the request and last only during the service period. ఈ పీరియడ్ స్విచ్డ్ virtual circuits again కూడా. Virtual switching, the virtual circuit does not mean communicating like the classical circuit switching, but the fact routing. First is broadband. Virtual circuit switches are routers, switches and routers. Virtual path and VP means virtual path is a collection of records in routers tables. Like IP routers, the control information resides in the packets of header, but unlike IP routing, the header contains virtual circuit ID instead of source of destination records. This is virtual circuit. Next, BSDN virtual circuits and permanent VC and switch VC. After grant agreed period, reserved records in the routing tables describe the route of the circuit, allocated weighted communication capacity bandwidth and inside switch buffer lines, not as monopoly wasteful allocation of the leased lines by the circuit switching. Switched VC have one or two dynamically for the period of communication and extra edges of setup delay for specifying records in routing tables and possibly for waiting fixed resources or allocating buffers in the beginning of each communication process. This is a virtual circuit. And First, I complete the simple switching networks. ATM is the next class will continue. Present explain the simple switching network. This is the diagram. Personal computer switching nodes. Nodes may connect to other nodes or to the same stations. Network is usually partially connected. However, some redundant connections are desirable for reliability. Two different switching technologies. First is circuit switching and packet switching. Most important, circuit switching. Circuit switching is the dedicated communication path between two stations and end to end. The path is a connected sequence of links between network nodes. On each physical link, a logical channel is dedicated onto the connections. Communication via circuit switching has three phases. Circuits establishment link by link, routing and resources, allocation, FTM, TDM, data transfer and circuit disconnect. And dedicated resources, the switches must now have to find the route and nation and how to allocate the bandwidth establishing the connection. This is the circuit switching. And circuit switching properties. Inefficiency channel capacity is dedicated for the whole duration of the connection. If no data capacity is wasted, delay long initial delay, circuit establishment takes time, low data delay. After the circuit establishment information is transmitted at a fixed data rate, which no delay other than the propagation delay. The delay at each node is negligible. Developed for voice traffic public telephone network, but can also apply to the data traffic. For voice connection, most of the time one other talking, but how about data connection? This is the diagram public circuit switching. You can observe the diagram. First, subscribe the loop and connecting track, inactive track, connected track, digital PBX. This is the public circuit switching network. This is the second unit topics. Next class will be continue. Important topics. Maybe I can repeat the each and every topic